Hi everyone, I'm proud to introduce our Alliance Program for Industrial Automation Distributors, a global network of trusted partners dedicated to helping our customers succeed. My name is Madiha Khalfi. I'm in charge of Industrial Automation Distribution and eCommerce at Schneider Electric. Our distributors play a vital role in our ecosystem. They ensure our customers have the right product exactly where and when they need them. But more than that, they bring technical expertise to help identify the best solutions for any industrial automation project. Alliance distributors are trained and certified on Schneider Electric's latest technologies and offers, which means they are equipped to deliver expert guidance whether you are upgrading a facility, launching a new line, or solving a complex automation challenge. Certified and Master Alliance partners are endorsed by Schneider Electric. That gives you confidence that you are working with professionals who meet our highest standards of quality, service, and innovation. The Alliance program is more than a network. It's a promise that wherever you are, Schneider Electric and its distributors are there to support you with trusted expertise, reliable products, and tailored solutions. So find your local Alliance partner today and experience the power of partnership.